Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Fitra Ramadhan, and I will continue the presentation from Mutiara, and I will explain about criteria which are needed in organizing syllabus. And the first is topic syllabus. Topic-based syllabus is based on topics which are selected from the student's specialist studies and the language analyzed based on appropriate syntax. It is suggests that one objective of the ESP course may be to teach this specialist content. And the second is structural or situational syllabus. The focus of a structural syllabus is on aspect of grammar. And then the gradation of this aspect for the teaching, supposedly from the simple to the complex and based on frequency and usefulness of these aspects. And the third is functional or notational syllabus. Jordan in 1997 points out Intel's conceptual meanings notions expressed through language or logical relationship and the communicative purposes, for which we use language as example is greetings, request, apologize, description, comparison, cause and effects, and many more. As this approach focuses on communication, the process of communication are often used in the teaching or learning, and therefore it is often referred to as the communicative approach. And the fourth is skills syllabus. Skill-based syllabus is organized around the different underlying abilities that are involved in using a language for purpose of such as listening, speaking, reading, writing. As Robinson in 1991 suggests, a course in writing business letters or in oral skills for business people or in academic reading can be examples of this syllabus. And five, situational syllabus. According to Tangizadeh, a situational syllabus is a collection of a real or imaginary situation in which language occurs or is used. And the sixth is functional or task-based syllabus. A task-based syllabus is the series of a complex and purposeful tasks that the students want or need to perform with the language they are learning, such as applying for a job, talking with a social worker, getting housing information over the telephone, and so on. And the seventh is discourse or skills syllabus. Discourse or skills syllabus emphasize the discourse which are related with the context of its use. And 8, skills and strategies syllabus. Skills and strategies syllabus concerns to the strategies which can be used to teach and assess students' competence and comprehension. And next, I will explain about the role of syllabus in course design approaches. According to Hutchinson and Waters in 1987, there are 4 course design approaches. Those are A. Language-centered approach. The syllabus is the prime generator of the teaching materials, and the step is and the first step is analyze target situation, and step selanjutnya yaitu write the syllabus and the next step is apa ini? Read or select to illustrate items in syllabus. And next is write exercise to practice items in the syllabus. And here, button. Yes. And the next step, the last step is devise tests for assessing knowledge of the items in the syllabus. And B is skill-centered approach. The syllabus provides opportunities for the learners to employ and evaluate the skills and strategies considered necessary in the large situation. And the step is, and the first step is analyze target needs. Next, select interesting and representative text. And then we and then devise a hierarchy of skills to exploit the text. And then order and adapt the text as necessary to enable a focus on the required skills. And next, devise activities or techniques to teach those skills. Then devise a system to assess the acquisition of the skills. And C, learning-centered approach. The syllabus and the material evolve together, being to inform the other. There are two levels on the step this approach, and the first step is the level 1, and the step is analyze learning situation. And then we create interesting and enjoyable material. And next, dan setelah dari itu kita beralih ke level 2, yaitu check language and skills content and of material and make necessary adjustment use. Or we can first analyze target situation, then establish general syllabus of topics and tests. Next, we can create interesting and enjoyable materials or produce detailed language skills syllabus. To the level 2 is check language and skills content of material and make necessary adjustment. And the last is the post hoc approach. The first step is write materials on undefined criteria, and then write cosmetic syllabus satisfy sponsor, teachers, student, and more. I think that's enough from me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.